In today's video, I'm going to teach you Inner Shadow Text Effect in Canva. We'll start from a blank or ready-made template, build our text, and then use a quick two-image trick to create a clean inner shadow look. It's simple, and I'll explain why each move matters so you can tweak the effect to your style. Open a design in Canva and add a text box. Type your headline or word, then switch to a bold, chunky font. Heavier fonts showcase inner shadows best because there's more surface area for the effect to read clearly. Pick a text color, then choose a background color that contrasts well. High contrast helps the shadow pop, so if your text is light, try a darker background and vice versa. Resize the text until it's the visual focus of your layout. Duplicate this page so you have a second page with the exact same design. On the second page, select the text, open the effects panel, and choose the hollow style. Reduce the thickness to a low setting so the outline is thin and crisp. This hollow version will become the top layer that creates the illusion of an inner edge. Still on the second page, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG and turn on Transparent Background. This gives you a clean cutout with no background. If you don't see the transparent option, it may require a Canva Pro account. Download that file. Now go back to page 1 and download that page as a PNG with transparent background as well. This gives you the filled version on transparency. Return to your design and delete the editable text to make space. Insert the PNG from page 1, the solid text image, and resize it to fit your layout. With it selected, open Edit Photo, go to Shadows, choose Drop, and set Blur to 10 and Distance to 10. This softly lifts the edges so the inner effect has depth to play against. Next, insert the hollow PNG you downloaded from page 2. Resize it and align it perfectly over the solid text. With the hollow image selected, open Edit Photo, go to Shadows, choose Drop again, set Blur to 10 and Distance to 10 to match the base layer. Stacking these two versions creates the inner shadow illusion. The outline top defines the inner edge, while the soft shadow beneath adds depth. Finish by making small adjustments. Nudge alignment for perfect overlap. Fine-tune shadow intensity or color for the mood you want. And ensure your contrast feels balanced. That's it. A clean, customizable inner shadow text effect in Canva.